Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be doing some boho locks and I'm so excited about it. They came in this little package here. I'll show you guys again what they look like. And I got some clips and I got the crochet needle. Yes, it's gonna be crochet today. So this is what the locks look like. It's basically just locks with pieces of curly human hair coming out of it. You know how they do those boho braids, so that's what I have here. It feels soft to the touch and it doesn't have like a bad smell coming out of it. So if you know me, you know I don't normally do crochet, but I'm gonna be doing crochet today. It's not one of my favorite. I don't really like it, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp first. As you can see, I already do my parting and add the elastic bands in it. And if you guys want to see exactly how I do it, I'm gonna be making a YouTube short video, so look out for that. So first you want to get your crochet needle and just jam it right in there. I'm kidding, but this is what the hair looks like, and I'm gonna be putting in my first piece by pushing the crochet needle right underneath where the elastic band is, and then I hook the hair onto it and pull it through. So for my first one, I didn't do it as good as I was expecting, so I'm not even gonna go ahead and say how I did this, but I will show you guys again in another one exactly how I got it through, because as I went along it got easier. It's not much different from what I'm doing here, but as I go along it got easier. Okay, here we go again guys. Hopefully this one will be a little bit more smooth. So I pushed the needle under the elastic band, or where the elastic band is, and then I hook it onto the hair, then pull the hair through. I then put the needle in where the little loop is and pull the hair itself right through that loop. And usually I just keep the needle in there, but like I said, when I just started, I wasn't doing it as great as, you know, I started doing it afterwards when I realized that it could be easier without taking the needle out. So as you can see me doing this one, I did not take the needle out, and it makes it so much faster not having to put the needle through that little hole again. And yeah, that's it guys. It's really not that hard. I honestly was thinking when I just started, like, what did I get myself into, because it felt so hard. But as I start doing it and I get along further into it, I realize it's not that hard. So if you guys are having problem doing it, just do it the way I do it and you'll see how easy it is. Don't worry guys, by the end of the video I will let you know how many packs I use and also where you can get this hair from to buy, because this hair is so amazing. Like I said, it's so soft and it is so easy to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a few more into the front while we're here, but as for the back, I'm gonna be doing that off camera. Also gonna show you guys a few different ways how I style it, because a lot of people may think that because it's crochet you could just wear it one or two ways, but you could wear it in multiple ways, you know, even though it's crochet, once you do it the right way. And the back of my hair is braided down. I also could have done some elastic bands in like a few rows around the perimeter, but I wasn't feeling it. But if you want to do that, you could do that and it will look even better when you put it up in a bun. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few more in the front and then the back off camera like I said before, and you know what comes next, the finished look of course, so just hang in there. And this is it guys, how beautiful. And it really didn't take me that long. I think it took me about 2 hours with everything combined, including the elastic bands and all that. I used up the entire 3 packs with about 8 remaining from the last pack. And the thing I love about this hair is it won't get tangled and all that, because it's human hair. So you could keep this hairstyle in for a very long time. It is not heavy, just in case you guys are wondering, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys could see the back of it, what it looks like. And the hair is so amazing. Like I said, it's not heavy, it's very light and so flowy. Like, look at that hair guys, look at them beautiful curls. can you believe this is crochet boho locks? Like, and this is like my second or third time doing crochet, because like I said, I don't like doing crochet, but I enjoy doing this style and I enjoyed wearing it. And this is a quick look of what the lock actually look like. I'm trying to give you guys an idea, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm gonna go ahead, y'all, and do my first style. So for this one, I'm just gonna pull a few here around the sides and front and just put it up in a bun and let the rest of it down, and that's what it looks like. It is so cute. I really like it. Here for the next style, I put everything up in a bun and I really like it. I think this might be my favorite style with this crochet here. And the funny thing is, it does not look that obvious that it's crochet here, which is something I really love about it. So after I put it up in a bun, I pull out a few of the curly pieces, as you can see, just to give it a really fun look to it. And that, I think, just took it up a notch, because I think it looks so cute. And this is the final style, guys. I absolutely really love this one. I actually went skating afterwards, after I was done with this video, and this is how I kept it. I went skating with the kids and we had so much fun. So the hair is from Lockbraids, that's LOCKBRAIDS, and I'm gonna be leaving all the information down below in the description box, so definitely do check that out. Oh, another thing I should mention, guys, because this is human here, you could put them in, and after you're done wearing them, you could take them out, you could wash them, and you could store them for another time to wear them. So you could get multiple wear out of these here, so it's definitely worth the money. So anyway, guys, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Thumbs up, comment, share, all that good stuff. And if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.